you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Look, what you think I got? That's got high amp, let me tell you that.
They got the 10.5, don't they?
How many?
You got two, okay. Ooh, them things look good. Ooh, them look good.
So right now we've only got them set at 109 volts each.
Yeah, down low.
They're good up to like 135.
Oh, you got them down low.
I'm gonna add 2 more subs before I crank it anymore because there's still a lot of power on these.
I was saying, it is a lot. That's a
It
lot.
still gets pretty hot.
It don't take long with that much power to do it.
No, not at all.
Let's do it, man.
You got my lights on.
Let them know what's running here, man.
We got 4 Sky High FMX 18s and 2 Sky High 10.5Ks. Get the lights on for you.
Did you have to put a style in this thing?
No.
Just stock everything. Other than
Transmission's got
stop.
some stuff in it, but the torque converter stuff.
Okay, yeah. Let them know they can find you on social media, man.
On Facebook, you can find me at Caleb Green, and also have TikTok, greenc_11.
Y'all know gonna tag me, I'm like, good seeing you, bro.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir, man. Get in.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.